Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez and in today's video we'll be doing yet another nail inspired by a wallpaper. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let's get cracking. Okay, so I'm going to be using an almond shaped nail for this design, and I'm going to start by layering a couple of thin layers of Snow White.
Snow White.
Snow
Not
White.
serious white.
Not serious white, Snow White, guys.
They should do a name. They should make a polish after you.
That's it. So I've got my white background over here cured. I'm going to go ahead and pick up some of our serious black nail polish and just do a few stripes on the nail. So again, don't think too much, we can go back and fix it, but just map out the lines of where you want the stripes to go on initially. So I'm literally just dragging the brush through, mapping out where I want those lines to go. The less you think about it, the better it will turn out. Trust me on that, guys. We'll go in and fix it, but don't think too much. There we go. So we've got our lines mapped out, and now I can go in and really work on the thickness and how straight I want it to be. So I'm just adding a little bit more thickness to this, look. I want the lines to be slightly thicker. So I'm just adding a little bit more black. I think I might want it slightly thicker as well. It's so cute, right? It's already quite busy and it's lovely to paint on. I love doing this kind of stuff. Busy background and a few like basic stuff on, and it just looks so cool. So I've got Cloverfield, which is of course my favorite green. I also chose this color because it's so opaque and it doesn't matter if you paint with it on top of black or white, it's just green. It stays green the whole time. So I'm going to paint a few leaves on this nail. So I've got leaf number 1 done. Actually, I want it to be slightly fatter. There we go, that's better. I'm gonna do another leaf here probably a bit smaller. So it doesn't matter if you put a massive blob on, you can just pull the color in and fill in the leaf while you're kind of painting. Gonna do another leaf underneath over here. So I'm going to be using bottle green, I believe. Is it Envy? It's Envy. I got it wrong. So I'm going to be using Envy. Just take a little bit of Envy and then apply that to the bottom of every leaf, okay? So when I say the bottom, so it's the lower section of the leaf, just like so. Okay, so I'm going to be doing Envy on here, just like that. I'm going to take a little bit of white this time and add it to the top section of each leaf, okay? So I'm just going to do a little line over here. Okay. Just to add a little bit more detail, that's all. It doesn't really necessarily have to happen. I just think it looks really cute. So I've got my lines ready over here. To finish the last detail that we're going to basically add is the lines in the midsection of the leaf. What are they called? I don't even know.
Veiny things?
Yeah, veiny things. There we go.
Not any
Thanks,
better,
Lucy. So I'm gonna be adding on the veiny things in the midsection of each leaf, just to add some more detail. So I'm gonna start with painting a line down each leaf, just to kind of mark up where those other little veins are gonna come out. So I'm doing that, and now I'm literally stroking down that line and adding more detail, and I'll keep doing that across all leaves. I'm going to use our Urban Graffiti top coat, and I'm gonna seal in this goodness and show you how gorgeous this design looks. I'm gonna cap this and pop it back into the lamp. And this is it, guys. Our wallpaper inspired nail art tutorial just finished. What do you think, Lucy?
I love it. I would love to have a room with a wallpaper like that.
I would love to have a room with a lot of plants in it, to be
Yes,
honest. I think
plants.
they bring so much life
Yes, they really do.
into your, yeah. I love it. Really cool, fun, easy tutorial. And I love combining kind of really abstract-y backgrounds or geometrical backgrounds with floral
Yeah.
or leaves. It always looks good. You can't go wrong,
Can't go wrong.
with combining both. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. I hope you give it a go and let me know how it goes for you, and maybe tag me in your recreations. If there's anything else that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below as well. But as normal, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all of that malarkey. And make sure you hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss out, all right? I'll see you all on the next one. Take care. Oh no, I need a burp. I can feel it coming. Thanks. That's all. So, I'm going to... Do not put that in the bloopers.